Hello everyone, this is Dr. Deepthi Atmakuri. Being a dermatologist, a lot of people do ask us about how to get dense eyebrows or how to correct the asymmetry. Now, why is it so important to have such defined and dense eyebrows? Yes, eyebrows add certain definition to your eyes, they add sharpness to your face and assist in facial expression. Also, they are surely aesthetically pleasing. Let's discuss the various causes for the thin eyebrows. Usually, we see thyroid, that is hypo or hyperthyroid, atopic dermatitis, alopecia areata, trauma, aging, and genetic, which is most commonly seen. Home remedies. Lot of home remedies are available to increase the hair growth. For example, castor oil, olive oil, coconut oil, Vaseline petroleum jelly, egg protein, and so many other things. So these are very easily available and they are cost effective too. But the negative part about these is, you get a lot of reactions to it or certain kind of contact dermatitis. Some people do develop acne around the eyebrow area and forehead area, and yes, the application of these is also slightly messy. So the next common thing which is used is growth serums. What do these growth serums actually contain? They do contain all the oils which we have discussed in the home remedies. Along with those, they contain vitamins, keratin, biotin, and certain peptides. Apart from these, there are also few serums which are prescribed only by your dermatologist. Now, all these serums do help you in increasing the hair growth. But yes, for you to see certain visible results, you have to use them at least for a period of 4 to 6 months. The most recent procedure which we have been seeing is microblading. What is microblading? It's nothing but a deposition of a nano pigment particle into the skin over your eyebrows. It's a very easy procedure, barely painful, but yes, the drawback is touch-ups are required. Also, the pigment should be perfect, the color match should be perfect, and the technique should be correct. Yes, if someone wants to remove the pigment, it is possible, but it's very tedious. The last option is eyebrow transplantation, which is similar to hair transplantation. Also, this gives you a very natural look. So these are all the things which are available to make your eyebrows dense.